Welcome to JAFRA! Ready to explore some of JAFRA's best sellers? Each one of the products in your discovery kit represents a different product category. Let's start with fragrance.
Did you know our fragrances are made by the largest fragrance houses in the world? In this kit, you're enjoying your Eau de Parfum, so that's the highest concentration, Eau de Parfum Queen by JAFRA, a tribute to feminine strength crafted with Scent Sense technology to surround you in an aura of unstoppable confidence, reflecting the lasting impact women leave on the world. Its key fragrance notes are glossy cherry, hazelnut, and tonka. This fragrance alone retails for $60. Now let's check out skincare.
The JAFRA Royal Revitalize Extra Hydration Serum is specially crafted to nourish skin's moisture barrier with this transformative hydrating serum that delivers a surge of moisture to help visibly maintain a youthful, radiant, and revitalized complexion. To apply, simply place the serum in the palm of your hand and massage onto the face, neck, and décolletage in the morning and at night to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness. This serum alone retails for $51.
Let's talk Bath & Body. With the Royal Almond Body Lotion, your clients can experience continuous hydration and the sensorial benefits of this creamy body lotion that helps improve the look of elasticity, firmness, and radiance while enveloping your senses in the soft aroma of our legendary and iconic Royal Almond scent. It's suitable for all skin types, and this lotion contains sweet almond oil to maintain the skin barrier, vitamin E, which helps condition and moisturize, and the sweet cherry extract is a source of antioxidants. This Luxe lotion alone retails for $31.
And lastly, you can't forget about our JAFRA Royal Hydrating Radiance Primer. Prep your skin for makeup with JAFRA Royal Hydrating Radiance Primer, a lightweight formula that smooths the look of pores, dryness, and uneven texture, creating a silky smooth canvas for flawless makeup application, or the ideal base for a bare-faced beauty look. Simply apply a small amount of makeup primer to clean, moisturized face before the makeup application using your fingertips, a beauty blender, or foundation brush. This fabulous primer retails for $34. Let's talk major savings. New consultants pay only $25 for all 4 products in this stunning pack. Plus free shipping, you won't find a better deal than that anywhere else.
Now that you've gotten the chance to discover, it's time to try and share with potential new clients. The easiest products to sell are the ones you use yourself. Meet us in the Business Hub on JAFRA.com for more training, and join JAFRA Beauty Insiders on Facebook for all the latest in training, events, and more. See you soon!